What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. So we got an update on Shiba Inu, which I can say is good news for long-term investors, and it may be bad news for short-term investors. Now, remember, none of this is financial advice. You got to do your own due diligence and never risk more than you're willing to lose. So we got an article here from Crypto Source. They're going to talk about, Shiba Inu price analysis, and then we're going to take a look at the charts ourselves, do a little technical analysis, and we're going to show you what's forming, what pattern is forming on the Shiba Inu chart right now, and where the price is likely to go. So hit that like button if y'all rock with me, if y'all like this content. I definitely appreciate y'all for doing that. So Shiba Inu investors sit and stay while token price plays dead. According to, let's zoom in on this, make this a little bit bigger so y'all can follow along. But according to data from ShibBurn, the last 24 hours have seen a significant increase in the number of Shiba Inu burnt tokens, with 3.3 million SHIB tokens removed from circulating supply during that period. The SHIB consumption rate skyrocketed by 148%. At the time of writing, SHIB was trading at that 10.6 level per token, while trading volume decreased 26% in the last 24 hours. SHIB's price increased 0.17% according to data from CoinMarketCap. So while the price increase remained negligible, the divergence between price and trading volume over the last 24 hours suggested buyer exhaustion. As buyers present in the SHIB market, could no longer initiate a price rally for that period. To buy or not to buy is still the million-dollar question. While an assessment of SHIB's moving average convergence divergence revealed the start of a new bullish cycle on March 16th, the meme coin has been trading sideways ever since, due to the lack of liquidity needed to propel its price and sustain a rally. SHIB has oscillated between that 10 level and 11 level price marks for the last 2 weeks. Furthermore, an assessment of SHIB's key momentum indicators indicated that the market has been stagnant over the past 2 weeks, with neither buyers or sellers holding a significant advantage. At the press time, SHIB's relative strength index was below the neutral 50 point at a 44. On the other hand, its money flow index was above the center line at 52. Likewise, the dynamic line of the Chaikin money flow of the all oscillated between 0.03 and 0.04 since the beginning of the new bullish cycle. This normally indicated that there was little buying or selling pressure in the market. It also suggested that SHIB remained within a tight range as buyers and sellers waited for a decisive event to determine the future direction of the asset's price. Realistic or not, here's the market cap of SHIB in terms of ETH. While the market remained in a consolidation phase at the press time, a look at SHIB's directional movement index put sellers in control of the SHIB market on a daily chart. At press time, the strength of sellers read at 17.69 rested above buyers green at 1603. Therefore, caution is advised as further liquidity outflow from the market can widen the gap, making it tedious for buyers to regain control. So let's take a look at this on the chart and see a few of those indicators that they are talking about. So right now we have, let's adjust this. So right now we have a bearish pennant forming on the chart. We can see the flagpole here, the pennant forming here, and that's usually a sign that the price wants to break down. So what we do is take the flagpole and measure, to the downside and see where that will put us. And if we take a look here, we can see that'll get us right down to around that 800, basically that 851 level. Now, could this be wrong? Absolutely. Some good news could come into the market and change the direction of things. We can get some type of overall macro positive news for the market, and that could change things as well. But as it looks right now, we see the volume tapering off, we see liquidity leaving out of Shiba Inu, we see buyers having a hard time or becoming exhausted with trying to fight and push the price back up. So what that can lead to is the price breaking down a little further. Now, if that does break down, I expect around that 850 range, give or take a little bit. But what that means for long-term investors is, we get a chance to continue to get SHIB at cheaper discounts. And for short-term investors, it may mean if you were looking for SHIB to be up in price, in the next 2-3 days, at a point where you could take profits, that may not be too likely. So it still looks like it may have another day or two, maybe 3, to possibly play this out. Depending on what type of news we get in the market, it could drag out a little longer. We could get some fake to the upside before it drops down a little lower. Keep that in mind as well. But just wanted to keep y'all updated and prepared just in case we do see this breakdown to the downside. Most people aren't too surprised. So right now, SHIB at that 1057 level. Let's take a look at our Bollinger Bands. We do have Shiba Inu right now trading below that lower Bollinger Band, which is telling us that the price could go down to that 1,008. Remember, we've been talking about this number for a while, 1,008 points per coin. And if it drops below that support level, if it doesn't hold support there, that's when we can expect it to possibly drop and break down to that 850 level. So that's all we got right now for this video. We can take a look at the overall market cap. Crypto up 0.6% right now, 1.16 trillion. Still good if you ask me. We're still above that 1.09 level that we were seeing as a resistance level for a few weeks back, a couple weeks ago. Also, you know, this is what it's about, man. Normally when the markets trade sideways like this, when there's nothing too exciting really going on, some people lose faith, some people paper hand, some people jump off the boat basically. And that's good for us that can hodl, because we're prepared to go through the distance. We're prepared to continue to hold, and we have to shake the weak hands loose. We can't go to the top with everybody, y'all. We got to shake off the non-believers, the little believers, and, you know, leave just enough room for us that truly believe. But that's all we got for this video. Bitcoin at 27,800, Ethereum at 1763, BNB at 327. Hit that like button on the way out. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.